Honestly, comments like this is why I don't really care to post on the internet. Because as someone who's really happy and really chill about their lives and honestly just lives a very peaceful life, I always have to deal with negative energy like this because people are like very, let's be honest, people are very miserable in their own lives, and it's really draining when I just want to post online and be carefree, and then I see weird comments like this where it's like, I get it, you hate your life, I don't hate mine. Why do I still have to like deal with the negativity that you spew from your own life into me? I know common sense is not that common. The video was clearly a joke.
In reality, I really don't care about the comments. It's just the natural, like, human urge to want to correct someone about who you are, but then you quickly lose that while being online.